Hello, I'm Andreas from FORTEC Custom Jeeps, and I wanted to show you our 1986 CJ Renegade. We did the complete restoration on it. It was really in good shape when we got it. So all the sheet metal is original. Was just sanded down for a really better than factory paint job. It has 15 by 8-inch Krager wheels that give you that OE look with some stainless steel caps. We did the logo in the inside to kind of work with the logo a little bit. It's got the original rock rails that only the Renegades and few others came with, the Laredo and the Golden Eagle. And my favorite is really the decal package. We installed that just recently. So this is not really for the purists. We try to maintain the OE look, but we use some stuff, for instance, a thicker bumper. And because the frame covers are so expensive, it just made more sense to equip this Jeep with a winch. I'll show you guys the engine as well. We still have some work to do on it a little bit, but it already looks super clean, runs like a champ, has a new aluminum radiator, and we are thinking either to upgrade it with a new carburetor or maybe even fuel injection. We don't know yet. Let's see how busy we are in the shop. The tires are 32 1150 R15, so that is taller than factory, but because it has new springs and everything is tightened up underneath, it's got a great standing. Like I said, all the floorboards are original. We replaced every seal you can imagine, so everything looks nice and new. This time I used an aftermarket carpet bed rug, and it really surprised me how well it fits, and it was a pleasure putting that in. And then, we replaced some of the interior parts, such as the steering wheel, horn button, things like that. And again, this has factory air, and the air condition actually works. We bought new seats. They are from Rugged Ridge. They look OE-ish enough. And the nice thing about these seats are they're actually adjustable, whereas on the old CJ you couldn't adjust the high backs. The doors, I mean, you seldomly have it that they close that nicely. Yeah, this is a wonderful Jeep and we're really proud of it. So let me get on my way and I'm out of here.